How to recover Fortnite account without email. First, you want to simply go to your web browser and you want to search for Epic Games over here. You want to simply tap on the official Epic Games website, and when you enter, you'll be able to see and sign in page for the first time. If you're entering the website for the first time, you'll be able to see the sign in page. There, you want to simply type it out, forgot your password option over there, and if you no longer have access to email, you want to choose available recovery options over there. Provide every information that you remember of the account. After that, you want to complete the identity verification process. After that, if the Epic Games support team view your request and they are able to identify that the account actually belongs to you, you'll be able to initiate the recovery process. However, recovery is not possible if you do not provide enough ownership details about your account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.